I am S. Ravi Kumar, Research Scholar, Krishna University, Machilipatnam, under the guidance of Professor K. Chandrasekharaya Garu, JN2H, Hyderabad. Literature Survey Research Group publications related to the cybercrime case study. Today's topic is India Abuse, Government of Telangana, GOT 2011, a constitutional IT and SMI solution. Abstract of this paper is cybercrimes mishandled by the concerned public authorities. Alternatives for legal and law enforcement authorities. A survey tests the SNS sites usage related skills, provide SMI to the potential victims, provide remedial solutions to cybercrimes connected by JN2H JOG. Detailed analysis reflecting the consequences, influence of awareness, national consequences, national consciousness programs in JN2H academics. Introduction of this paper is Government of Telangana 2011 is non-existent GOT to which JN2H JOG claims belongings from 2011. Is India abuse GOT? Is cheating GOT? Is seditious GOT? Is fake GOT? Multiple crimes of online cheating and online sedition violated. The State Emblem of India, Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005, Sedition Law in Academic Environment of JN2H, IT Act 2008 under Identity Theft Section 88A, and GOT 2014 to 2nd June 2014. Present government of Telangana, after the Parliament passed the EP Reorganization Bill, online and offline in JN2H University academic premises. Proper evidence from internet archives of the Wayback Mission using WebRobot, web crawler tool. Legal proceedings to diffuse the effects in this case. Court did not punish. Two punches turned to hostile witnesses. JN2H public authorities and concerned police authorities reacted disproportionate to sequence of steps taken by us to diffuse the influence of these cybercrimes, thought of possible solutions, created few web pages with the case study, included numerous methods to bring awareness and national consciousness among students and selected people. Methodology. 18 MTech fresher students of SIT of JN2H sampled their responses and approaches in handling cybercrimes perpetrated in JN2H academic environment. 6 social media, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, ISS, UU, Google Plus, and SoundCloud. Focus on MIC generation. Objective to achieve social media intelligence for students of JN2H. SMI is considerably high, which is very impressive. So questions for this study. Demonstrate a Twitter account and Facebook account for the PGF. Similar to the Twitter account hyperlinked as in the hyperlink of sites.google.com/site/Vivek Telugu/main page, or as in RK Math Hyderabad website. Write 5 points as to how it serves the purpose of diffusing the FGOT. and demonstrate a YouTube account and Google Plus account for the PGF similar to the Twitter account hyperlinked as in the Vivek Telugu main page or as in Arkemat Hyderabad website. Write 5 points to how it serves the purpose of diffusing the FGOT. Demonstrate a ISSUU account and SoundCloud account for the PGF similar to the Twitter account hyperlinked as in search.google.com/site/Vivek Telugu/main page or as in Arkemat Hyderabad website. Write 5 points as to how it serves the purpose of diffusing the FGOT. And here the table 1 student wise social media content analysis summary as on 2nd August 2018. So here you can observe that the particular student has taken the particular 6 social media websites and given a information according to that we prepared this particular table. And some screenshots which are good responsive representatives of the solutions to the above questionnaire are shown in figure 2 to 7. So in figure 2, Facebook account and figure 3, Google Plus account. Here we can observe the particular Facebook and Google Plus accounts. And here we can observe in figure 4, Twitter account, and in figure 5, ISSUU account. And in figure 5, ISSUU account, and in figure 6, SoundCloud account. And figure 7, YouTube account that can be uploaded in this particular information of the paper. Next, conclusion and future work of this paper is social media analytics in the backdrop of fourfold cybercrimes, their impact in higher education environment in Telangana during 2011 to 2018, academic character and quality in JNTH became mooted. Consequently, the quality pitfalls indicate that national orientation of JNTH should improve because all the 4 cybercrimes affect the national fabric deleteriously. The remedial phase period spanning 2014 to 2018 shows no indication of tangible and transparent steps by administrative machinery either in JNTH, GOT or police commissionerates near the capital Hyderabad. It is recommended that these authorities rise to the occasion and release a white paper highlighting the steps taken to diffuse cyber criminal GOT. Why? Because GOT 2011 to instill among the masses their commitment to Mother India. The Mother India consciousness is now reflected in the social media analytics of the fresher students' opinions and sentiments. Our SMI solution to the India abuse GOT 2011 can be taken up by capturing more coverage of subjects for a broader forum. This is necessary owing to the high degree of cybercrime noticed in the case study and to prevent recurrence of similar cybercrimes. Thank you.